This video will show you how to use LXCE OneCLI to remotely configure settings in compatible mode on ThinkSystem V4 and later servers. Starting from ThinkSystem V4 and later servers, some setting names have changed, preventing the values from being displayed or set correctly. To address this issue, the C parameter enables compatibility mode for UEFI and BMC settings on ThinkSystem V4 and later generations, allowing the command to function properly. The C compatibility parameter can be applied to the OneCLI config show, set, or batch commands. In this example, the OneCLI config set command is demonstrated. Run the OneCLI config set command to set a value with an old setting name on a ThinkSystem V4 platform. Specify the target setting and assign the desired value. Specify the B parameter followed by the target server's BMC access details in the format shown on the screen. The command fails to execute with a message stating the previous setting name is not supported on the current V4 platform. Add the C parameter to rerun the same command in compatible mode. The target setting has been successfully set but requires a machine restart to take effect. Restart the server. Run the OneCLI config show command with the C parameter to verify the updates. The setting has been changed.